Hi you guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I'm Connie. Doesn't it feel good to wake up or come home from a long day at work to a neat and tidy house? But sometimes it feels very overwhelming and like there is never enough time to clean the house. Well, today I am going to share with you 5 simple, easy habits that you can incorporate into your daily routine to keep a neat and tidy house. If this is a topic that you like, give it a thumbs up because it tells YouTube and me the kind of topics you guys like to hear about. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos on minimalism, mindset, manifesting. Also, click that bell so that you get notifications whenever I post a new video every Thursday and guided meditation every Sunday. I have lived a minimalist lifestyle for over 12 years, and I can tell you that minimalism trickles into all aspects of your life. Here are some videos on tips on how to declutter your house and start the minimalism lifestyle. Okay, let's get started on these 5 simple habits that will help keep your house nice and tidy. Number 1. Give everything a home. It's so much easier to keep things neat and tidy when everything has a place that it's supposed to go to. Try to keep like items with like items. So office items go together, baking items go together, backpacks and school supplies go in another closet. Keeping like items together helps you and everyone else in your household know exactly where to put everything away. Helpful tip: when you buy something new or you bring something new into your house, immediately give it a home. Try to avoid junk drawers or miscellaneous piles. Instead, just keep everything nice and organized in its proper place. Now, if you live with other people in your household, like children or husbands or roommates, and you want things to stay organized, you might want to put some labels on some baskets, drawers, and files so that everyone knows where it belongs. Step 2, clean as you go. While you're making a meal or prepping dinner, try to get into the habit of just putting away items as you get them out. So once you get out a bag of lettuce and you're done with it, just put it away. That way you're not left with this big, overwhelming, dirty kitchen after preparing a delicious meal. Same goes true for getting ready in the morning, ladies. Instead of doing your hair and your makeup and your bathroom looks like a bomb went off, just try to put everything away as you're using it. So when you're done with your makeup, put it back on the shelf. When you're done with your hair, put all the hair stuff back into the cupboard. 3, organize your papers as soon as they come into your house. Nothing gives me more anxiety than seeing a stack of mail and junk mail and papers and bills and receipts sitting on my counter. I don't know about you, but it stresses me out. A good way to handle it is just get in the daily habit of whenever a piece of mail comes into your house, open it and file it. You can buy a little accordion file at any office supply store and label it accordingly. Then once every 3 months or a quarter, go ahead and go through that file and throw away the papers that you don't need anymore. What are some of the ways that you have found making organizing papers easier? Do you do e-bills, or do you put them in a filing cabinet? Do you go through them periodically or once a year? Leave a comment below and share your cleaning tidy tips with other people. 4, clearing off countertops throughout the day. When you can keep your countertops nice and clean, it just makes the rest of the house feel more tidy. Yes? Try to get into the habit of 3 times a day, just doing a quick scan of the countertops and tables and putting everything away. For me, I do it after breakfast, midday when the kids get home from school, and once after dinner. 5, pick up before bedtime. Right after dinner, but before I sit down to relax for the evening with my family, I do a quick 15-minute pickup throughout my house. So I pick up any shoes or coats or bags that have been left out, any leftover dinner items that didn't get put away, do a quick sweep of the floor. This way, I can sit down and enjoy my evening, read my book, or watch a show with my family without looking over and being nervous about all the things that are left undone of the day. It also allows me to wake up in the morning and start my day on the right foot. Nothing feels better than to wake up to a nice, clean, tidy house, knowing that you can start your day off just right. It's quick, easy, little habits like these that you do daily that help keep your house nice and tidy and prevent you from feeling overwhelmed and anxious about a messy home. Try it out for a week and see if these 5 tips help keep your house nice and tidy and help keep you nice and calm. Share this video with a friend and check out these other videos on minimalism, mindset, and meditation. Don't forget to subscribe to get new videos every Thursday and Sunday.